Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Pearl and today I have an unboxing video. I received my box from Foxy Fix. I made an order several weeks ago and it came in yesterday and I wanted to open it, but I decided to wait until I could record. I couldn't record last night because my family is wild. It's very loud in this house and I record in what is supposed to be our dining room, so saved it for today. I went ahead and put a sticky note over my address. So let's go ahead and start this. I did cut the tape, but look at this pretty box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. So this is how it comes. They send a leather sample. This is the Foxy Fix Spice Royal Violet. And then they sent a couple Foxy Fix business cards. Okay, all this paper shaving. Let's see. Let me just get these out. Now I ordered covers for my Hobonichi A5 size journals. So the first one I ordered is, it says Simply Pearl, the name of my YouTube channel. This pink is so bright. I didn't know it was going to be so bright. I might have to order another elastic. But let's go ahead and dive into this. So this one I ordered with a cross and these two here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put maybe I'll put my 5-year journal in here. This is my Hobonichi 5-year. And I want to see if this will fit in here. Ooh, that's going to be tight. Let's see if I can do this. It doesn't quite fit, but I wonder if journal will mold or the leather will stretch a little bit as I use it. Okay, I'm just going to put some heavy books on here. See, because if you look at it, it doesn't quite close. Okay, so that's for this one. So let's leave that for now and see if it'll flatten out. I'll keep you posted. And then the second Foxy Fix I got was for this is the pebbled leather gray, and it's really soft and malleable. And I got Simply Pearl again. And let's see if this will fit in here. I got this with the 3 cards. And I want to keep my Midori cover on there. Oh, it does fit. Oh, it's perfect. Maybe I will. No, I don't want to do that. I also have the Hobonichi, just the A5 notebook. Let's see if this will hold both of them. Oh yeah, but that's not. Okay, so maybe I'll take this. Oops. Okay, that's not going to work. So let me take that out. Maybe I'll take this Midori cover off. Just use that. I'm having a hard time, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Oh, I like it. Okay, so there I have my Hobonichi A5. Good, now I can go through my planner, my weekly, and then my daily journaling. Okay, well thank you for joining me. This is my Foxy Fix order. I probably should have gotten a pen loop. I don't remember if that was an option or not. But I'm very happy with my order. I do hope that this will stretch a little bit, because this is just going to stay by my bedside. I don't want it to get too dirty anyway because it's the pink. And I do want to change this, but that's for another day. Thank you for joining me for this Foxy Fix unboxing. I will leave a link down below to all the items I mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.